Hello, welcome to English Listening Journey. Today, I will tell you about John's daily routine. Listen carefully, enjoy the story, and let's begin. John lives in a small, cozy apartment in San Francisco. The apartment has a bright living room, a small kitchen, and a comfortable bedroom. It is the perfect size for John, who lives alone. From his window, John can see the busy streets below, filled with cars, bikes, and people going about their day. John is 27 years old and works as a software engineer at Facebook. He loves technology and has always been curious about how things work. As a child, John enjoyed building things with blocks and solving puzzles. This curiosity grew over time and led him to a career in programming. Now, he spends his days creating new features and solving problems for one of the world's biggest tech companies. John's life is busy, but he finds joy in both his work and his daily routine. John's alarm rings at 6:30 a.m., and he wakes up to the sound of gentle music. He takes a moment to stretch his arms and legs before getting out of bed. The first thing John does is drink a glass of water, which helps him feel refreshed and ready for the day. After that, he takes a quick shower, enjoying the warm water as it wakes him up fully. Breakfast is an important part of John's morning. He prepares a simple but healthy meal: 2 slices of toast with butter, scrambled eggs, and a banana. While eating, he sits by the window and enjoys the view of the city waking up. Cars honk, people walk to work, and the sun begins to shine brighter. John also checks his phone during breakfast. He reads the news, replies to messages from friends, and looks at his schedule for the day. At 7:30 a.m., John grabs his backpack and leaves his apartment. The bus stop is just a 5-minute walk away. The fresh morning air feels good as he walks down the street. The bus arrives on time, and John gets on. During the ride, he likes to listen to music or podcasts. Sometimes he practices English by listening to short stories or learning new vocabulary. By the time he reaches the Facebook office, John feels awake and ready to start his day. John arrives at work at 8 a.m. The Facebook office is a large, modern building with glass windows and green plants everywhere. Inside, there are open workspaces, meeting rooms, and even a coffee bar. John begins his day by checking his emails. He replies to messages from his team and makes a list of tasks to complete. John's job as a software engineer involves writing code, fixing bugs, and creating new features for the Facebook app. He enjoys solving problems and finding creative solutions. His work requires focus, so he often wears headphones to block out noise. At 12 p.m., it's lunchtime. John heads to the cafeteria, where there are many food options. Today, he chooses grilled chicken, rice, and a fresh salad. He sits with his coworkers, and they chat about their projects, hobbies, and weekend plans. John enjoys these moments because they help him relax and feel connected to his team. In the afternoon, John often has meetings. These meetings are a chance for his team to share updates, discuss challenges, and plan their next steps. John also spends time mentoring new employees, answering their questions, and helping them learn the tools they need to succeed. By the end of the workday, John feels a sense of accomplishment. He knows his work helps make the Facebook app better for millions of people around the world. John finishes work at 5 p.m. He takes the bus back home, enjoying the ride as he looks out the window. The city is busy in the evening, with people heading home, shops lighting up, and the sky turning shades of orange and pink. When John gets home, he changes into comfortable clothes and rests on the sofa for a while. He checks his phone, looks at social media, and sometimes calls his family to chat. After relaxing, John heads to the kitchen to prepare dinner. Cooking is one of his favorite activities. Tonight, he makes pasta with tomato sauce, grilled chicken, and steamed broccoli. He enjoys the process of chopping vegetables and mixing ingredients. After dinner, John spends his free time doing activities he enjoys. Sometimes, he reads a book about technology or personal development. Other times, he watches a movie or plays video games with his friends online. On some evenings, John goes to the gym for a workout. He likes running on the treadmill and lifting weights to stay healthy and strong. At 10:30 p.m., John begins his bedtime routine. He brushes his teeth, washes his face, and writes in his journal. In his journal, he reflects on his day, writes down things he is grateful for, and sets goals for the next day. Finally, John turns off the lights, lies down in bed, and falls asleep, ready to start another productive day tomorrow. John's daily routine shows us how to balance work and personal life. He works hard, takes time to relax, and enjoys simple pleasures like cooking and spending time with friends. What about you? What does your daily routine look like? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for listening to John's Daily Routine. I hope you enjoyed it and learned some new words. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Listening Journey for more fun and inspiring stories. See you next time.